How to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Mac. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
They're both connected together with a cable. It's a USB-C cable, but if you have like a USB-C to A cable, that is completely fine as well. So all you want to do is once you first connect it, for the first time, it's going to say trust this computer. Your settings and data will be accessible from the MacBook when connected wirelessly or using a cable. So all you got to do is go ahead and click on trust right there. Then type in the password of your phone. Now from here, it's going to say device added to your account, and iPhone now has access to iMessage. If you don't recognize this device, you can remove it in system settings. But then it's going to also ask you for your Face ID for extra verification, so just do that as well. Then from that point, they're both connected together. And all you want to do is on your MacBook, go over to your Finder. Then you're going to see as one of the locations, you're going to see iPhone. And you're going to see your iPhone. Right now mine is the 17 Pro Max. And then from here, what you can do is if you want to transfer photos from your iPhone, you can go over to Photos, for example, make sure they're synced up together. And then all you got to do is literally just get them, and then you'll be able to just download them to your MacBook super simply, as long as the backup is there. So if it hasn't been backed up, all you got to do is press backup now, wait for the backup to finish. And it can take long or short amount of time depending on how much storage you have and how much you're transferring. But then after that, you can go to any of these different tabs and then transfer anything from your phone to your MacBook.